Hello, my people. Today is Thursday, October 10th, 2024, and we are going to be on the Arroyo on Tramway, just north of I-40, the interstate. We are in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Beautiful day today, my friends, to be riding the e-bike.
Bueno, pago sa.
Excuse me. Anyways, if you don't mind, like, share, and subscribe. I would have greatly appreciated if you did that. Like I said, we're gonna be headed towards I-40 and Central, and we're gonna try to enter a couple of the tunnels that are over there. I've been to those tunnels before. Big old holes here. So there's somebody underneath that tunnel.
Hello, how you doing?
You gotta sometimes be very careful when you're going into tunnels and there's people in there. You just never know. So you try to be very careful. So we're gonna try to reach the tunnels that are gonna be going underneath I-40 and Central. There should be two of them. I haven't been up here in a while. The last time I was here, which was a long time ago, there was a lot of water on this Arroyo. There's a pedestrian bridge. Ah!
Ouch.
Except for that one, I didn't see it. I'm just kind of gotta be careful because I don't want to damage my tires hitting those edges of those holes. They're real sharp. That was a hard hit, my friends. Starting to see some water. Hopefully we don't run into any heavy water.
Ouch.
Another hole, damn it. Some of these holes are huge. I can see the tunnel coming up to it here. That's gonna be I-40, the interstate I-40. I'm gonna stop here and get my lights. I got my lights. It gets kind of dark in here. I know on the camera you can't really tell, but when you have your eyesight acclimated to the daylight and you can go into dark, you can't see anything. I'm gonna take my time. I'm gonna try to see if I can capture some of this graffiti, my friends. So I'm gonna go real slow. I'm on the camera on my handlebar right now. I remember this used to be covered with a lot of very beautiful graffiti. I mean, it was amazing, the art. And the city painted over it. Oh, look at this skull. Let me try to show it to you. They painted over it. They painted over all that, and now they've that was years ago, so now they've put more graffiti since. That's a pretty badass skull. like it. That paint dripping makes it look even nice. Scary. Look at this. Who's that? Please comment on some of this graffiti if you know what it is or what it says, or any information is appreciated. I'm gonna try to go slow, try to see if I can see anything worth showing. I see a skull up kind of high, so I'm gonna try to back up so my camera can catch it. You can see it right on top there. You know, I seen this skull before in other tunnels. Same one. Must be the same artist. Tagger. Whoa, look at this one here. Did you see it? Let me show it to you. Look at that. Dracula. Look at that. Look at that detail. Oh my God. Count Chocula. Count Chocula. Alright, I think we just passed I-40. That was a tunnel under I-40. Now we're between Look at this. Wow. The Death Reaper. Halloween style. I don't know what it says behind that. That's pretty badass, huh? That's cool to see that in October when we're getting ready to hit Halloween. Anyways, we are in between I-40 and Central, Route 66 in the Arroyo. So we should be hitting another, look at this one. A girl devil. Demon. Sorry, the stuff is rated R. Okay, so we should be hitting the tunnel that goes underneath Central Boulevard, Route 66. I'm not sure if this is the one. Could be. Probably is. Yeah, this used to be covered with a lot of graffiti. Very, very good, and they've since have painted over it. Lady Wolf. Look at this detail on this one. Rip Tom. Whatever that means. For some people, it has meaning, huh? Look at the angel. Stop the war dreaming. Let me show you that. Stay light or high, or I don't know. I always have a hard time reading some of these messages. You know, the writing style is pretty nice. I mean, that in itself is art, in my opinion. Some people may disagree with me. That's okay. So I'm not sure, this is just some road. I'm not sure what road this is, but there's 3 tunnels. You can see it's been covered up with paint. And then we're coming to the end. This neighborhood is called Four Hills. Very affluent neighborhood out here. Yeah, you can see they painted over all the graffiti. I'm not really sure why nobody can see them. They're hidden. It's not really like gang related, you know. I know in the past we used to not allow gang related graffiti, it was proper to paint over that right away. But this is not gang related, my friends. This is just people tagging. Look at that scorpion. So in my opinion, it just doesn't make any sense to cover up this graffiti, man. Really. It's not like it's out in the public and people see it. But I'll never understand. You know, we cover the graffiti, especially the ones that are gang related, because we don't want these gangs to leave messages. I don't think they'll be painting like a cow. What gang would do that, huh? North side cows? West side, south side cows? Look at that. All that graffiti is painted over. It's a nice day today. Nice day for a bike ride. Nice day to be riding the Arroyos. So we'll be going back. See if we see different graffiti. Sometimes when you're going the other way, you miss, and you see you see graffiti that you missed. So I'm trying to go kind of slow in the tunnels for two reasons. One, so we can see the graffiti, and number two is because I can't really see. It's dark, and I noticed there's a hole. I noticed it's darker, you know, in person when I'm looking in. It's really dark. The camera does a good job. My camera is really good in low light, so it really opens up real well. Like I do have some lights, but it does real well, the camera. Some pretty cool graffiti here. It's the same one we saw that I showed you. Anyways, I was going to say a couple of things. Number one is, yeah, someone asked me a couple of questions. I'll try to answer if I can remember. Someone asked me if oh, look at this graffiti. Let me show you this drawing or whatever you call it, painting or tag on the wall. I don't know. I couldn't see it real well, but let me back up and try to light it. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Lucas Best. Lucas Best. Anyways, I was saying someone asked me if I trailer or if I look at this one here. I've seen this one all over the place. Looks like they didn't finish it. They asked me if I trailer or haul my bike, and typically 99.9% of the time I ride my bike to the location that I'm going to film. Like up here I'm on Tramway and I-40 Central. I rode my bike all the way from around Menal and Louisiana. So that was a long way. I want to thank you for joining me and being part of my ride here. Alright, I'm gonna try to get out of the Arroyo I'm gonna go ahead and I thought there was a way this way, but there's not. It actually, the bike trail ends here, but it actually continues on the west side of the Arroyo. It goes south. There's actually a bike trail has a bridge, I believe, or maybe it's on that intersection over there. You can actually cross over and then go south, but you'll be on the west side of the Arroyo. So I'm gonna try to go that way. So this will be going south. I'm gonna try to get a bike trail that people have been warning me not to take. Never been on it. But in the past, there's been a lot of problems with this bike trail. There's been a lot of trash. Homeless people have been aggressive. They've set up tents underneath the bridges. All kinds of problems. The city has been trying to work on cleaning up the area. They've been removing the trash. I think they were supposed to put lights on some of these bridges, and then clearing up a lot of the homeless people that were setting up camps. So we'll see how it looks. This bike trail goes parallel to the freeway on the south side of the freeway. So we are now crossing Tramway to get in the bike trail. There is a lot of trash I can see already. Squirrels running all over the place. Looks like there's some homeless people up ahead. Sounds like they're having some argument.
Why would it be underneath?
That dude was swinging that metal bar. Not sure what's going on. They were having some argument. No need to get involved in that. Anyways, I got a lot of messages about the bike. What kind of bike I have. So I bought this bike on Amazon, and this bike has been great for me. I mean, I haven't had any problems with it. There was some delay. All these bikes are made in China, of course, like anything else. but it took a while for them to deliver it. They're supposed to have a warehouse in the U.S., but it took like 3 weeks for me to get it. It was almost fully assembled already. The tires, the handlebar, there's a few parts I had to put together. It wasn't really that hard. So I'm coming to the next, the first tunnel on this trail. I believe we're going to be going over Juan Tabal. Trying to be careful here. Make sure I don't run over anyone. I can't really see real well, it's dark. I don't want to run over debris, any large objects. Anyways, like I was saying, the bike is SMLRO. That's the brand. The model is the V3. It cost me about $1,300. But the bike is very well made. Like I said, I never had any problems. You name it, it has a lot of power. It has 2 motors. 1,000 watts each motor, so for a total of 2,000 watts. It has hydraulic brakes because the bike is heavy, and it has double suspension, and it's got a little computer that works along with a battery, keeps track of your voltage, mileage, distance, all kinds of stuff. So if you want to do a search on Amazon, it's going to be the SMLRO. I'll post the name on the screen. Look at that, underneath that bridge is a lot of trash. So this would be on top. This would be a pedestrian bridge that goes across the freeway. I'm not really sure where that goes. I believe that bridge went to Tomasita Elementary School. Okay. The next bridge should be it should be U-Bank. It looks like the trail got better, huh? It's not, you don't see the trash anymore. It is getting loud because of the freeway. So here's a tunnel. This should be U-Bank. I'm gonna slow it down. I hear voices, so there might be some people here somewhere. Oh yeah, they're on top. There they are. Not a lot of graffiti. This tunnel looks clean. No trash. So the trail got better. I mean, it's not that you don't see the trash. It looks like they've cleaned up the area. To my left is gonna be Los Altos golf course. There should be a bridge, a pedestrian bridge. I think that's where this trail is gonna end. It should be going across the freeway going north, and it ends up in Los Altos skate park. We should be coming up to it here soon. You can see it way up ahead. So we'll take that bridge across the freeway, and then we'll head back home. See if I can connect to another bike trail. So here we go. We're going over the bridge. Oh, it looks like the bridge is closed. Maybe not. There's a hole here. Maybe it'll be the same on the other side. I'm gonna try to cross over. If I can get my bike through. It's not wide enough. Alrighty, let's check it out. Ah, it's closed, my friends. The trail is closed. Okay, well, we'll talk to you guys later. Until the next one. Bye.